Hello everyone, this is Mike from Mike's Rambles. Welcome back to the channel and a new video. Today we're going to fit some eyebrows to Lucy. We need a flat bladed screwdriver, screw under there, and obviously the eyebrow slots in there. I did start the video earlier on but I was interrupted, so I'll pop this on. Trying to make sure I don't scratch the paint right because I've spent enough money on the respray. Honestly, I don't want to see my backside, so I have to try and do it from here. Doesn't look too bad. A little bit of a gap there, I think. No. No, they're not that good a fit, so I won't bother fitting them, so I'll take them back off. Sorry sis, but we'll see. Yeah, I'm not happy with that, so I'll take this back off again. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you soon in the next one.